What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. So right now, since the market is just now opening, I'm going to be looking at the SPY. So as you can see, I made this little, I charted it a little bit, made some trend lines and stuff like that for this pattern. And of course, we've been in a bear market for a little bit. It's been on a downtrend. I am on the daily chart right now. I'm on the daily time frame, and as you can see, it looks like a little ascending wedge, I believe, has formed, and it's right now on the 200 EMA. So let's go down to the, well, actually, before we go down to the hourly, we can check out the MACD at the bottom. I'm sorry, the RSI at the bottom. And it does still have some room to go to the upside a little bit, but overall, you might be looking for some sell positions soon. But let's see, on the hourly, get a closer look at this ascending wedge, as you can see. So immediately, for right now in the short term, it still has a little bit of space to go to the downside right now. So it's looking like in the ascending wedge trend, it is going back towards the downside right now, and that's pretty much what we're looking for. If you guys are entering trades or anything like that, this is not financial advice. That's just what I would be doing. But you know what? I won't call anything myself. I won't call any movements. I'll just say, let's keep an eye open for what's happening, and we'll just come back and make another video once we see the results. But yeah, so far the market is just stagnant. It's not really going anywhere, anything like that. But I do believe that we're going to get some movement to the downside soon. It will probably be going down to around $384, which is where the 200 EMA is at right now. And then once it gets there, if it gets there, we might see some movement back to the upside and everything like that. But overall, this ascending wedge is a bearish pattern, I believe. I believe it goes down after that. I kind of was looking at this for a little while. This blue line right here I got for 362, because it looks like it was kind of trying to form a double bottom. And if you look right here on this trend, it kind of did form a double bottom a little bit outside of this. Let me try to show you. So it kind of did show a double bottom right here. As you can see, it kind of had one. I mean, it's not perfect, but let me see if I could, well, you guys get the idea pretty much. Kind of formed a double bottom right there besides this little candle that broke out right here, besides this little candlestick right here that broke out right in this area right here. But yeah, so that kind of formed a little double bottom, so that obviously has a bullish signal right there, and that's why it started moving up. But on the bigger trend, if you go back to the daily, it doesn't look too much like a double bottom too much. I mean, it kind of didn't go too much lower than the previous low, but it did go lower nonetheless. So we'll just wait and see if it breaks past the EMA on the daily, and then once it breaks past the EMA on the daily, then we'll look to see if it's actually going to change to a uptrend, bullish momentum or something like that. So 401 is what I'm looking for it to pass, so that I can, tell if it's actually going to go up and start bringing to the upside. If that, it would confirm possibly the double bottom that I was, speculating about. But right now, from the pattern I'm looking at right now, immediately, sorry about the text messages, guys, but from the pattern I'm looking at right now, I definitely believe that it is going to go to the downside for the short term, and we will be seeing it come down to somewhere around $384, and then I guess I'll come back to you with another video following to see if it comes to the upside. But thanks for watching. See you in the next video.